welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this very fresh, glowy, dewy, this is my everyday winter makeup look, you guys. I just love such dewy, fresh sort of a makeup looks for winter. It's a very wearable look as well, and also I'm going to be sharing with you all those smallest tips, and I'm going to take you through like the step-by-step process of how I achieve this look, so it'll be very easy for you to recreate. And also Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale will be starting from today for Prime members. If you're a Prime member, it will be starting from today, and they'll have up to 50 to 80% off. And if you're not a Prime member, you can shop from tomorrow. And so now, without further ado, let's get started. I'm first going to start off with some applying some moisturizer. Like usually I do my skincare, but today I did not. So I'm going to take this moisturizer. Like you can use any moisturizer. So before I used to think that this winter this makeup would look good only on fair skin or white skin. I don't know why. Like I used to always think that, especially if I have tan skin, I thought like you can never achieve such look, but literally thanks to makeup you can do so much. Like you can do whatever you want, and I'm so happy to share with you. And skincare is very essential now. If you can do the whole toner, serum, moisturizer and all of that, that would be great. But even if you don't want to do any of that, just apply a thick moisturizer so that your skin doesn't feel dry. Okay guys, so first starting off with primer, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. This is a really nice primer, especially for winters, or even if I have dry skin, this is really great. I do have extremely dry skin, so my skin just drinks moisture, and so I do have to use a lot more than some of you, I think. So if you have dry skin, just go all out and apply a little more. Don't be stingy, it's fine. And then next I'm going to also use this Rene Glass Glow pre-makeup oil. So you can use any oil. It's just to provide that extra hydration, like primer oil, like any hydrating oil or anything like that, because this is just to ensure like your skin is well prepped, because as I said, my skin just drinks up moisture, so I do have to use it. So again, with this oil I only took 2 to 3 drops, I guess, and look at that, the dewy finish that it is giving. Like I really like it, and just like massage really well, so your skin soaks up all of that hydration into your skin. I'm going to allow this to soak up for at least about 2 to 3 minutes. And while that is happening, next I'm going to take this N Pucker Hydrating Lip Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. This is a smaller one that I have. So look at that's how much I've used. I absolutely like this product. Now yes, it smells a little funky, but if you use it continuously, after some time you'll just get used to it. Anyways, I'm going to take so much of the product and apply on my lips. And this is a little rigid, so you have to like rub it into your lips, and it also gives a beautiful tint onto your lips. Since I got this lip balm, I've been applying this underneath any of my lipsticks, especially liquid lipsticks. It doesn't give you that instant hydration. You might not feel like your lips are hydrated instantly, but it keeps your lips very hydrated throughout the day. So next, moving on to foundation, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm in the shade number 300 Amber. So you can use any hydrating foundations. So I'm going to take one full pump. Look at that. Okay, and it's a very runny product. And then with my favorite flat top kabuki brush, I'm just going to apply this on my face and start buffing. This is a medium sort of a foundation and gives a very dewy sort of a finish. So I'm going to take one more pump and apply on this side of my face. So whatever is remaining, I'm going to take that on my forehead. Now you don't have to use a lot of product on your forehead. That's what makes your foundation look a little cakey. And I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and start buffing onto my skin. And next for my concealer, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm in the shade number 317 Almond. And this is again my go-to, like my absolute favorite concealer. Definitely because you're going for that fresh, clean look. You have to make sure that your under eyes and your the centers of your face is a little highlighted. I have some pigmented areas right over here, so I'm going to apply there, and I'm also going to take it right over here. And I'm just going to allow this to settle down for about like a minute. During that time, I'm going to do my brows. So I'm just going to fill in my sparse areas. Let me zoom you guys a little closer. Yeah. So I'm going to like fill in my sparse areas like that. And then with the brush, I'm just going to brush it out. Okay guys, so that's how my brows look like. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out this concealer. Leaving your concealer like that makes it a little more thicker and it helps to blend out much easily. I just take on the centers of my face like that. And now I'm just going to blend out my under eyes. So I'm mostly just tapping it right over here, and then I'm going to take it upwards and drag it like this. And whatever is remaining, I'm also going to conceal my eyes and mainly focus on your inner eye like this, because most of us have dark circles and darkness right over here. So don't forget to again tap it over there too. Okay, so once that's blended, next I'm just going to take my the beauty sponge and just like dab out. And also guys, blending in with the sponge just gives like a smooth finish, so I like to always go back with my sponge and blend it out. So next I'm going to do my blush, and for that I'm going to take like a bunch of blushes today, and this is the technique that I've been doing and I absolutely love. First I'm going to take the Iba Halal Forever Nude Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is how it looks like. It's a very pretty like a rusty orange brown shade, and I'm going to take this and with a brush, especially now for winters, I think it looks beautiful, and I'm just going to like apply this on the outer corners of my face. Just take it like that. It looks so beautiful, and this shade looks really pretty. So use on the areas where you do your contour, just slightly above. And I'm also going to take it on my forehead, because it looks absolutely pretty, especially when you're going with like that winter kiss look. I think it just looks beautiful, like when you take your makeup on your forehead as well. And I'm also going to apply the same onto my nose. Take a little bit on my chin, so it just like ties in with the look. So not too much, just a little like that. So next I'm also going to take this Daughter Earth lip and cheek tint, and this is in the shade Vitamin E. It's a very pretty like a pink color. Again guys, this is one of my most favorite blushers. It's a very pretty pink. I think it suits most of us Indian skin tones, even if you have dusky skin. I think it looks pretty. Again, don't drag this, just like tap into your skin, or else everything that you have done underneath, your foundation, your concealer, all of that will move and it doesn't look good. I know it looks horrible right now, but it's fine. Don't get overwhelmed. Just take your beauty sponge, again go back to that and just tap like that. Okay, tap onto your skin. This will make sure to take off that excess product that you have used. Okay guys, so I'm also going to take that same shade on my eyelids as well, so it adds like a nice flush of color. Mostly concentrating on the outer areas, and whatever is remaining I'm just going to tap it on my crease like that. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my face to just give that like definition onto my face. And for that ITEX Dazzler foundation stick. Actually it's a contour stick. I mean, this contour stick is not as creamy, so I'm just going to put on the back of my hand, and with a dense brush I'm going to take the product and start blending. Again, just applying on the usual areas. And first I'm going to stamp this product on the areas where I want to contour, and I'm also going to apply this onto my forehead. Just push the product a little onto your hair, okay, like that. And again I'm going to contour my chin Applying your contour right over here, makes your chin a little smaller. Usually we have a lot more fat right over here and your chin can look a little bulky. So that's why, we apply contour right over there to make your features look a little more thin. So again, going back with the same brush, I'm just going to blend very softly. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is in the shade Light. I'm gonna take that and just apply this on my under eyes. So I'm going to just press this, powder into my skin and make sure and also whatever is remaining, I'm gonna take it on my eyes like that. And I'm only applying the powder, on the areas where I crease, which is mostly right over here. So that's how your face should look like. Again, if you feel like your blush has gone from any area, just go back, to your the same brush and just apply. And for my final touch up, actually, I'm going to take one more blush. I know, I'm using a lot of blush, but trust me, this is really nice. This is from, the brand called as Ilana. It's their Beat Tint. And that's how it looks like. Now the packaging have changed. It comes with a ball, so it makes the application process even more easy. Again, it's a very liquidy product. Look at that. And I'm just going to, give it a nice shake. Take it onto my sponge like that. Look at that. And just dab it onto my face. Now this gives such a beautiful skin like finish, and that's what I love about this tint. It just looks so natural and it also is very, very long lasting. So next I'm going to go back to this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. You can take any brown. I'm just going to use this orange brown shade, medium toned color, and I'm just going to add some definition, and also I'm going to apply this to define my eyelids. Try to take it, drag it on the upside, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to apply this and take a little bit up like that. And then I'm going to apply on the crease. It just defined my eyes and also added some color so that my eyes look a little more awake. Next, taking the same palette, I'm going to take this black eyeshadow and I'm going to just define my upper lash line. Yeah, mostly using on my outer corners like that. And without taking any extra product, I'm also going to just apply this on my inner corners. I don't know, lately I've been doing this, and can you see this side to this side? This just makes our eyes look a little more elongated. How to say, I think it gives that fish eye sort of a look, and I really like that. Any extra product, I'm just going to apply this where my eyelashes start. So again, it just adds that nice definition. Okay guys, so that's how your eyes should look like. And then I'm going to take this eyelash curler and I'm just going to curl my lashes. Again, I like to do this on the days when I'm not applying any false lashes. Again, even today I'm not going to use any false lashes because it's a very natural sort of a look. So for my mascara, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And again, I've been enjoying using this mascara lately. With application, what I'm doing here is I'm going to, take it like this outwards. I'm not going to do this, but mostly I'm going to, take it outwards like that. And in the centers, again. I'm not going to apply too much on the lower lashes and just a little bit, and yeah, I'm happy with how my eyes look like. Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to be taking the PAC Color Lock Long Lasting Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Blush. Yeah, I not only like lined my lips as usual, but I also like filled in with the same lip liner, and look at that color. It just looks so freaking pretty. Ties in with the blush that we use, and I really like it very much. Again, this is another trick that I've been doing for, for this winter. I'm gonna take this water lip tint. I think this is from Face Shop, and it's in the shade number 04 Red Signal. So I'm just going to apply this, onto my lips like that. It just makes your lips look a little bigger and also gives that, that flush of color, like that Korean, what is that, bitten lip sort of a finish. And I really like this. And again, I'm going to take one more color, which is, this is from Miss Claire, and it's in the shade number 02. I know I'm mixing a lot of shades, but I love doing this. Yeah, I'm just going to take a little on my finger, like that, and apply. Yeah, I love this shade so much. And then to add like a little bit of a glow onto my face, I'm gonna take this Inside highlighter. This is in the shade number 02 Moonstone Bliss, and that's how it looks like. This is best applied with your finger, or you can use makeup sponge. I mean, you can use your makeup sponge for anything and everything. It looks so freaking pretty. And if you want that intensity, definitely, apply this with your fingers, and that will give that intensity that you need. Take this underneath my brow bone. Yeah, again, I'm gonna take it on my forehead as well. As you all can see, this is where the light hits. So I'm gonna apply on my forehead. And finally, I'm going to take this, PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and just going to spray my face. So yeah guys, this is my completed winter kiss makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Definitely go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Amazon sale is going to start from today, so don't forget to check it out, and I'm also going to mention all the links down in my description box for your reference. And yeah, I'll catch you all next time. Bye guys.